When opening the Fortnite game, you might encounter this stuck connection problem on your Fortnite Mobile. You can have the stuck at connecting issues when something is wrong with your mobile network or your Wi-Fi. Now to solve this problem, follow only 3 solutions to solve your connecting problem. Solution 1. Fix your internet connectivity. Open Setting, scroll down, tap the additional setting, scroll down, tap Developer Options, scroll down, enable Wi-Fi scan throttling. Also, active the Always Mobile Data on if you are using mobile data. After this, check your internet speed. If you still have issues, follow the second solution. Open Setting, scroll down to Connection and Sharing, scroll down, tap Reset, Wi-Fi, Mobile Network, and Bluetooth. Choose your SIM card. Tap Reset Setting. Now reset your device. Now follow third solution. Now tap and hold Fortnite gaming apps. Tap App Info. Enable the Auto Start option. Also enable App Permission. Now allow all the necessary permission for your Fortnite app. Go back here, choose other permission. Like before, please allow the list of options that you have here. Go back and tap Restricted Data Usage. Enable Wi-Fi and both mobile data from here. After this, tap Battery Saver. Select No Restrictions. Tap Clear Data. Tap Clear All Data. Tap OK. Now your problem will be solved on your Fortnite Mobile. If you still have a problem, please comment down below to let me know. Thanks for watching.